Hey everyone, it's Queen Nizzle, or you can call me Shaniqua. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel yet again. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for you, girl. But today I'm going to be doing a braid and curl using perm rods, and the products that I'm using is the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian line. I'm going to start off on freshly washed, deep conditioned and detangled hair, and I did wash and deep condition with the Ancient Egyptian shampoo. And where's the deep conditioner? And here's the deep conditioner. So to achieve this braid and curl, I'm going to use the Cuticle Control leave-in lotion, which I showed earlier. And I'm also going to use the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. And I have heard very good things about this 24 karat gold twisting gel. So I'm hoping this braid and curl is about to be popping. I'm going to use some perm rods on the ends of my hair. Once I get done with braiding, I'm going to add the perm rods to the end. And they're going to be medium-sized braids because I don't want them too small. I actually like bigger curls when I do this style. So here we go. So I'll be using these two size perm rods, the white and the pink. And I'm taking the time out to smooth the product into my hair. I'm not mad at this leave-in, not at all. It's going into my hair really well. This is the problem side of my hair for me, so I gotta give this side extra love. Now I'm gonna go through with some of the gel. How you apply the product when you're styling really makes a difference in the outcome. So making sure that you smooth that product into your hair, get rid of any tangles, and really smooth out the hair that you're working with. So less frizz, more definition, and this stuff, it's got my hair shiny. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my braid, separating it into, it's basically a plait. And I try to get them as even as possible. And as you can see, I kind of smooth down the hair as I braid as well. And I'll stop right about there, and I'm gonna use the perm rod the rest of the way. So I'm gonna go in and brush that out. Add a smidge more of the gel, just to smooth it out. Where the braid ends, I'm gonna apply the perm rod And so what I like to do is, as I'm wrapping the hair around the perm rod, is I like to kind of twist the hair as well. So you'll see what I'm talking about. See, so I'm twisting as I twist the hair around the perm rod, I kind of twist the hair around itself as well. And I'll wrap it again, make sure it's nice and tight on there. I haven't done this in a long time, but this is how I do my perm rods. Can't speak for anybody else, but it seems to work for me. Okay, so my hair is now completely dry. I slept with my silk scarf on and I let it completely air dry. I normally get better results when I let my hair air dry as opposed to sitting under the dryer. You're going to see the results of my takedown using the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian line. Again, this is the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion, and I paired that with the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat Glistening Gold Gel. I'm gonna use something from the other line that I tried. It's the Sophisticated Sheen Spray from the Do It For The Culture line. I really like this oil. I'm gonna start from the back and start unwrapping these. And I'm going to carefully take the braids down. Not bad so far. Ooh, I am seeing a few flakes, which is one of the things I was concerned about. I don't see a lot though. We'll see once I start picking and separating. I won't be separating a lot because I don't want a whole lot of frizz. But when I do separate, I'm separating where the curls naturally come apart. See, I got some frizz in the back, and it's also nearing time for a trim. Clean my ends up. I skipped over the ones that look like they won't separate easily because I don't want those problems. Okay, so these are my results. I really like it. I did some separating and I fluffed and picked, you know what I'm saying, to kind of shape it how I want. It's still not exactly the way I want, but I don't want to keep manipulating the curls, creating any more frizz than I already have from putting my hands in my hair. Yeah, so these are my results. I like it. again, you know, you can separate your curls as much as you want to, fluff and pick as much as you like, but for the sake of me, you know, preserving the hairstyle, I decided to stop so I can wear it, you know, for at least a few days. My hair is really, really soft. And it may sound like I'm biased to the Mane Choice products now, but I'm really not. They just haven't disappointed. My hair is super soft. It's shiny, as you can see. The perm rods came out, they came out good as far as I'm concerned. I enjoy it. Yeah. I took a couple of my big bobby pins to pin this part back, and I made a little part when I was putting the perm rods in, when I was actually doing it, just so it could kind of still fall to the front, but I still have a part. But I really like it, you know, and if I can keep my hands out of it, these curls can last. Yeah, the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel, it has just enough hold to maintain your curls, you know what I'm saying? They won't be lasting super long, and that just could be due to, you know, the style or whatever. But I'm feeling it. I like it. And again, I'm not biased to any products. Nobody is paying me yet to review these products or anything. I'm coming out of my pocket, spending my money, buying the entire line. The day before Thanksgiving this year was me 6 years natural. My hair has been longer and fuller and bigger. I've had some setbacks and I've gotten it cut. I've cut it myself a couple of times. But in all my 6 years of being natural, the first time I used the Mane Choice products was when I used to do it for the Culture line. So I had been missing out because they are doing a really good job with our products for our hair. These last two products that I just used, the Do It for the Culture and this Ancient Egyptian line, I have nothing but good things to say. I was concerned about flakes. It isn't a problem, as you can see. I was concerned about my hair feeling hard after doing the deep conditioning. My hair is soft. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't feel brittle. So nothing but good things to say. So Mane Choice, y'all definitely have a customer in me if you're watching. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you have something, a product in mind that you want me to try before you try it, I'm up for it. I'll do it. If you have any suggestions, I'm up for suggestions as well. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Keep coming back and watching my videos. I'm going to be doing different things and trying out different products so we can grow and learn together, okay? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.